This is going to be a distance equals rate times time problem. And we're trying to find the rate. And the rate is distance over time. And we're given these distances and we're given these rates. So the minimum one, what's this? So we need to take d over t. It's going to be a distance, either 3,200 or 4,000 over a 72 or a 96. So I want to figure out the minimum, which is the smallest number. How do you come up with a small fraction? A small number from a fraction. Well, you take your smaller number of your distances, which is 3,200, and if you want to make this as small as possible, you'd want your denominator to be as large as possible, and that would be 96. So you got 3,200 over 96, and that's your rate. And let me see how I want to do this. 9 and 6 is 15. I think it's easiest just to go ahead and do long division, because that's not easy just to, well, you could divide each one by. Let me see how I want to, which is the quickest way. I believe I would like to, before I do long division, am I recording? Yes. Let's divide, both of these are divisible by 2. That would be 48. And that would be 2 into 32 is 16. So that's going to be 1,600. I guess maybe go again. 2 will go into 48, 24. 2 will go into that, 800. 2 will go into 24. Let's say 8. 8 will go into 24 3 times. 8 will go into 800 100 times. So you've got 100 divided by 3, and that's going to be 33.3. And if you don't see it, do your long division. 100 divided by 3. 3 and 3 is 9. 1, 0, 3, you see? So your smallest number is 33.3. Is that one of my choices? Yes. All right, and then your largest number, your maximum number, how do I get a large number from a fraction? Well, you take your larger of your distances, and that's 4,000. And I want this to be large, so I want to divide by the smaller number for the denominator. So before I do long division, let's cancel some common factors. 2 will go into 72 36 times. 2 into 4,000 is 2,000. 2 into 2,000 is 1,000. 2 into 36 is 18. 2 into 1,000 is 500. 2 into this is a 9. So I've got 500 divided by 9. 500 divided by 9. And 9 times, what is that going to be? 5 is 45. 9 times 5 is 45. And look at there, 50, it's repeating. So there's your larger number.